Alright guys, Sam here from FDTechTactical. This may or may not be a longer video, or may not be a two-part video. And today we're going to be talking about my updated EDC. A bunch of stuff has changed. So,
reporting a new town on the air, public service.
not sure what company.
440 on the air for public service. You need a call generator for this?
Thank you, Douglas.
Okay, so we got some radio traffic coming in. That was from my own company. Alright, so I guess we'll just start off firstly. Motorola Monitor 4. We're just gonna stick that right.
Working with fire number 49, North Mead Farm Road, ambulance response priority 2. Repeating, Seymour dispatch, Seymour fire and ambulance on the air with a retone. Report of a working kitchen fire, structure fire retone number 49, North Mead Farm Road. Tango units response priority 2.
Breaking structure fire. Actually, we'll probably get called in for that. Keys. Much smaller than. That's what my keys were. Okay, so got the Ford key. We got a bunch of keys to all different things around the house and workshop and garage. Gun lock key and padlocks. We got some fire elevator keys just for because I have them. Got a key fob for numerous things. I've got one of these clippy things. I forget what it's called. Slide popper or something. There's some weird name like that. Got a spectacle bug. Okay, yeah, I sharpened that. I haven't had that in my keychain in a little bit. I forgot how many feet of paracord this is. Got the Rescue Me window puncher. Glass. Window punch, glass punch. Window punch, and a seatbelt cutter. And a reflective neon green. Well, it was neon green. It's a little dirty. From a few years of service that I've put that through. I got my iPhone in a OtterBox with the OtterBox clip. And that's my sister. I have my Motorola MTS 2000. I don't think I'm carrying that much. Now that's just gonna be like a main station. I have to get one from my own company in their range because that's a UHF portable and a Pager's VHF. So a few things on top of that. Can you turn that down? Sharpie marker. Can you turn that down? Uniball Insight. Great pens. They're $4 for two of them. I got just a plain old green marker. I got a used. It was brand new. It's gotten its fair share of wear on it. I use it a lot. The 511 ATEC PLX pen light. Fire ID. And a wallet. It's kind of like a card thing. I'm going to be replacing this probably today. What else do I carry? Oh, yeah. Sometimes these keys You can go back in the past video through that because there's a lot to explain on that one. I got paracord bracelet. Sandy Hook Angel bracelet. Sandy Hook First Responder bracelet. My Gun Protects Your Freedom bracelet. I do have a paracord lanyard that I normally carry around with my school ID. Yeah, my knife. Yep. 511. Standard. It's just anniversary knife. I have like 3 of these. I originally had 2 in order, and I got to give one another one. Just a plain old multi-tool. It's a Craftsman. It's a Husky.
This is my dad's finger. He chopped it off, but it. Let me see.
You have to get it in the frame.
It's all better now. I gotta show you a picture later.
Grew back. It's in the freezer if you guys want to see it. I forget what else I carry. But that's all in my pockets. Some other stuff I carry occasionally, like papers. I normally carry a notepad, but I don't know where I put it. Yep, I actually just got dispatched for that. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. Later.